Let me ask you something. Have you ever opened your phone for just 2 minutes and suddenly it's been 45 minutes? You've watched 17 random videos, checked Instagram 3 times, replied to nothing important, and now you don't even remember what you originally picked up your phone for. Yeah, that's not just you. That's literally all of us. And here's the scary part. It's not just wasting your time. It's silently destroying your focus and costing you thousands of dollars every single year. If you're someone who struggles to stay focused, keeps procrastinating important work, or feels like you're always busy but never actually moving forward, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Because today, we're not just talking about phone addiction. We're talking about how your phone is quietly stealing your income, your opportunities, and your future. Here's the thing. Most people think phone addiction is a time problem. It's not. It's a focus problem. And focus is directly tied to how much money you make. Look, the difference between someone earning Rs 20,000 a month and someone earning Rs 200,000 a month is rarely effort. It's depth of focus. The ability to sit down and do one thing for a long period of time without getting distracted. But your phone, it's literally designed to destroy that ability. Let's talk numbers. This is where it gets uncomfortable. The average person spends around 4 to 7 hours per day on their phone. Let's be conservative and say 5 hours. That's 5 hours eggs 365 days equals 1,125 hours per year. Now let me put that into perspective. That's the equivalent of 76 full days, non-stop, every year. Now, here's what most people don't realize. If you took just half of that time, let's say 2.5 hours per day, and used it to learn a high-income skill, like video editing, freelancing, coding, or content creation, in 1 year, you could easily go from earning Rs0 to Rs 30,000, Rs 100,000 a month. That's not motivation, that's math. But why is this happening? Psychology part. Look, your brain isn't broken, it's just being hacked. Every time you open your phone and scroll, you get a small hit of dopamine. Quick entertainment, quick reward, zero effort. Now compare that to real work. Learning a skill, hard. Studying, hard. Building something, hard. Your brain has to struggle before it gets rewarded. So naturally, it starts choosing the easier option again and again and again until focus becomes painful. Here's what most people don't realize. Every time you switch tasks, you don't just lose a few seconds, you lose your momentum. Studies show it can take up to 20-25 minutes to fully regain deep focus after a distraction. So when you check your phone, just for 10 seconds, you're not losing 10 seconds. You're losing 20 minutes of deep work. Now imagine doing that 10 to 15 times a day. That's your entire productive day gone. Now you might be thinking, okay, Zach, but I still get my work done. Sure. But here's the question. Are you doing basic work or are you doing high-value work? Because there's a difference. Basic work, or replying to messages, watching tutorials, planning. High-value work equals actually building, creating, executing. And high-value work requires uninterrupted focus, which your phone is constantly breaking. Let's connect this to money. This is where it gets really interesting. Imagine 2 people. Person A and person B both have the same skills, same opportunities, but person A gets distracted every 10 minutes. Person B works in deep focus for 2 hours daily. After 1 week, no big difference. After 1 month, slight gap. After 1 year, person B has built skills, projects, maybe income streams. Person A, still trying to figure things out. Same potential, completely different results. So how do you fix this? Actionable steps. Look, I'm not going to tell you to stop using your phone. That's unrealistic. Instead, we control it. Step 1, create friction. Make your phone harder to access. Turn off notifications. Keep it in another room while working. Use app blockers. Even small friction reduces usage massively. Step 2, use the 2-hour deep work rule. Every single day, just 2 hours. No phone, no distractions, only one task. That's it. You don't need 10 hours of work. You need 2 hours of focused work. Step 3, replace, don't remove. If you just try to stop scrolling, you'll fail. Instead, replace it. Watch educational content, learn skills, read, turn your phone into a tool, not entertainment. Step 4, track your screen time. This is powerful. Most people are shocked when they see the real number. If you're spending 6-7 hours daily, that's your wake-up call. Because you're not busy, you're distracted. Step 5, set a simple rule. No phone in the first 60 minutes of your day. This one habit alone can completely change your focus levels because your brain isn't starting the day with dopamine overload. Here's the truth, and it might sting a little. Your future income is directly connected to your ability to focus. Not motivation, not luck, focus. And right now, your phone is your biggest enemy, but also your biggest opportunity. Because if you can control it, you instantly gain an advantage over 90% of people. While everyone else is scrolling, you're building. While everyone else is distracted, you're improving. And over time, that gap becomes massive. Final thought. Look, you don't need to be perfect. You don't need to quit social media forever. You just need to be aware, because once you realize that your phone isn't just stealing time, it's stealing your future, you start using it differently. Call to action. If this video made you think even a little differently about how you use your phone, hit that subscribe button, because I make videos like this every single week, breaking down the real reasons why people stay stuck financially and how to actually fix it. And before you leave, go check your screen time. Seriously, that number might just change your life.